So why would you even care about CLS to begin with? Well, what's most important about CLS is that Google factors in user experience when they do their search engine rankings. And if your CLS score is too high, it can hurt your search engine rankings. So you want to keep that low. And what CLS, the way it actually works is it means that your document object model, which means the elements on your web page, are not clearly defined. So at load time, it's figuring it out. The browser is figuring out where everything should be going, whether it's images, tables, other elements of your website. And that's why you get this movement that looks like somebody's trying to prank you. So how do you fix CLS? That's the big question. It depends on what the actual issue is with your website. Now, it could be as simple as you just add dimensions to an image tag. That can be really simple to fix. It could also be that maybe you have some tables where you've just got to define the elements a little bit more clearly in terms of how wide and how high they should be. It can be as simple as that, but often it could be something related to your theme if you're using a technology like WordPress or Wix or Squarespace. Other times it could be some code that you're using on your website, some code snippets maybe that you pulled off of a integration, or some code that you've done to do some dynamic displaying of your website. That can be an issue and that can hurt your CLS score. So if you have any questions about CLS, reach out to us. You can schedule a free complimentary consultation, 30 minutes. We'll go over your website. We'll tell you what you need to fix. Visit us at jvf.com.